Hey guys, what's going on? What is going on? Street Trading here with our weekly trade recap video. What a week we had in the markets to wrap up the last full week of trading for the month of May. We are hopping into summer, right? So anyway, we're coming into a nice 3-day holiday weekend with obviously the markets being closed on Monday for Memorial Day. So it was a strong ending to the week's session, to the month session for that matter. We're looking at a 50-minute chart of SPY. Obviously, you see the boys pushed it up, pushed the market up close to SPY's all-time highs. They obviously brought it down to at 404 a number of times, and the demand stepped in. Obviously, they stepped in, pushed it higher. And you can see the end of the week pretty strong. Didn't print all-time highs, of course, but definitely that's where you see where it is headed. Now, we are starting to see a shift. And, listen, we've been seeing shifts for quite some time. But, all the dips continue to get bought up. So, we're definitely not convinced on the longevity of it. But that certainly doesn't mean that we're not going to blow through these all-time highs and continue to print. But we are heading into summer, and we are coming into a different summer. Obviously, a very unique summer that we haven't seen in maybe forever. But the fact that the economy is opening up and all the regulations and the requirements, the mask requirements, things like this, are subsiding. People are dying to spend money, and you should see a lot of those that have excess are going to be definitely flexing, right? So it should be a very interesting summer. So whether this run up is based on that, probably so, but sustainability is always a question, right? So we're always ready. Listen, we're avid short sellers, so we're always looking for those opportunities. There's always opportunities to the downside, despite what the market is doing. Completely irrelevant. Definitely helps when market's slipping, but it's really irrelevant as far as intraday basis for individual securities. But we definitely are seeing more of a shift, and would not be too surprised if summer, or even the backside of summer, is completely different than this run up into summer. Be that as it may, we trade the flow, we trade the trend. We don't care. Our opinion is completely irrelevant. You guys know that. As traders, our opinions are irrelevant. We got to trade what the market gives us. That's it. Not what we think it should do, what we see it doing. Right. So, anyway, it was a very, very, very great week in the markets for us and our members. Our weekly trade watch list knocked it out of the park. Our daily trade ideas knocked it out of the park. We had a very, very solid week. So we definitely enjoy this 3-day weekend, and definitely earned and ready to continue to crush the market in next week's session and just continue it, right? So let's get into some of the trades we took. Obviously, we put up a bunch of trade lesson videos for everybody throughout the week. So we're going to talk about those, talk about some stops we took, talk about some things we lost, we missed, and some things that, it's just basic fundamental lessons that we all should just kind of obviously keep in our back of our heads when we're putting on positions, right? There was key levels that were breached that really was the footprints for where the boys are taking price. And at the end of the day, let the boys do what they do. Let the boys show you where momentum is flowing, and then take the meat of it, right? Don't try to catch it. Don't need to try to catch the beginning or the end of something. It's completely irrelevant to do that. Catch the meat of the move, guys. All right. Let's get into some securities we took, things we missed, things we got stopped out at. But let's just talk some key fundamental lessons here. All right. Let's get into it, guys.